this out.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Licensed Assassin. Got another tool haul here from Ross. I know, I gotta stay out of the Ross. But, can't help myself. And we'll add it to the collection. All right. So I had to go get the kiddos some food. So I decided to stop by the Ross while I was out. And found two things that I don't own. So we'll add them to the collection. We got a Tactix Stubby screwdriver set. It's got bits, it's got some hexes, Allens, your screws, Phillips, flathead, part number 900994. That's what it comes with, 32 bits. It's one extension, 6 sockets, one adapter, and the Stubby Ratcheting screwdriver. $10, compare at $25. And then we got the Outerbanks 12-in-1 hammer. I just reviewed this a couple of days ago. It was the Outerbanks 14-in-1, I think. Hammer with the hatchet on the other end. This is just the hammer with the nail puller. Yeah, nail puller. Pliers still, but I don't see a part number on this. $12-in-1 hammer. Includes pliers, wire cutters, nails, and puller, hammer, bottle opener, slotted screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, knife, saw, small slotted screwdriver, serrated blade, and it comes with a nylon case. Sub 99, compare 14. All right. The fun stuff. I think maybe I like getting this shit because it's like Christmas, right? You gotta unwrap it, unbox it. It's like Christmas all over again. So it has a little zip tie right there. Let me try to cut that open one-handed. Yeah, buddy. There's the 6 sockets. Look at that. Look at that tray. Flexes. And they're lettered and numbered. Maybe just numbered. Oh, there's some letters. T15, T20, T25, T30. Nice. The flex is a nice touch. Really nice touch. There's the extension. Nice. Change it right here, direction. Or you can lock it, it looks like. So you can lock it in the middle so it doesn't go either way, and then left and right. Lock it, right? It don't go either way. Then it's a regular screwdriver. Left, loosey, lefty, loosey. Righty tighty. Nice. I think obviously you're going to need the adapter to use the bits. Right there. Don't need the adapter to use the bits. But I'll save that for another video. This is just an unboxing. That little fucker is badass. Oops, excuse my language. Yar, dive in. I'll be back. I need to get a little tripod, huh? He's so cute. About as big as a knife. About as big as a pocket knife. So there's my pocket knife. And that thing is about as big as the pocket knife. So I can give you a little reference. I'll be right back. So there's the hatchet that I got a couple days ago or last week, whatever. And you can see how much smaller, well, it's not much smaller, but than the hammer is than the hatchet. Both have the pliers function. Both have the pliers. So does this one have the wire cutters? Yep. See the wire cutters right there in there? There's your teeth for your pliers. You can put a nut right there. Right? Wrench on a nut if you need to. Hammer. Seems to be good. So let's get this out of here. It's from the last video. I'll be back again. all that stuff's in there. I don't know if I can get it out. With one hand. Wow, this motherfucker got a lot of shit. There's a screwdriver. Right there. And the rest of the stuff right here. Well, let's see what I can do. There's your blade. And there you have it. You got your Phillips. I'm assuming this is your flathead. Your slotted flathead. Let's see what it would come with. Slotted screwdriver. Yep. Pliers. Wire cutters. Nail puller. Split. Hammer, bottle opener. Where the bottle opener at? Oh, right there. Bottle opener right there. Nice. Nice. Yes, that's the knife. Saw. And back to normal. Okay. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Do what you want to do. Drop a comment. You know I don't really give a damn what you do. But Tactix, Stubby, Ratcheting, screwdriver, Outerbanks, 12-in-1 hammer. Tool haul from Ross. Thanks for watching. Deuces.